Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, I hope by the end of this video you will hit that subscription button and remember to hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified of new uploads. Now in this video, I want to help you to find cost-effective and earth-friendly way of wrapping your gifts for your gift giving this Christmas. And so I am looking at materials around your home that you can transform. So how about some cereal boxes? I will be showing you how to transform your cereal boxes into lovely gift bags. So let's get started, my friends. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please subscribe and share. Also, leave your thumbs up if you really like this idea. I'll see you in the next video.